Righto guys. Genesis, jet boil, base station, camp setup. Is it worth it? I procrastinated for a lot of months, maybe even a year, on whether I should spend the money. Because $649, that's a lot of money. Actually, it's a lot of money. A lot of people can't afford that. But I'm a firm believer in buying quality. Is it quality? Does it do what I want it to do? Is it worth it? Do I like it? Is there things I don't like about it? And would I recommend it? Okay, the answer is yes to all those questions. But before I go any further, I paid for this product myself. I'm not sponsored by Jetboil. This is my own personal biased opinion myself. So it's what I think, maybe not what you think. So, and everyone's entitled to their opinion. But for me, there's a lot of things I like about it and a couple of things I dislike about it. So I turn you around. This is my Cub camper. Okay, it's a Frontier 2022 model. And when you're camping and traveling, weight, space, size is always an issue. So does the Genesis Jet Station base camp fall under that? Well, this answered my question, and this is one of the things I love about it. So here's my pantry, okay, and this slides out. And there's the jet boil there. Okay, that's it there. Now that would be, there's my hand. So I know that's not a really good measurement, but it just comes out like that. It's in its own little bag. How groovy. So +1 for jet boil for weight, size, and universality. Okay, righto. Sorry, you'll have to forgive me guys, I'm new at this. So I'll open it up. Unboxings, okay? I don't know what people see in unboxings. I really, you get a product that's in a box. Wow, it's a box. You can spend hours and hours and hours trolling the internet watching people unbox crap. I don't want to do that. I want to try and keep the videos short and sweet, to the point, and show you what I think. Now, my opinion's my opinion myself, and I'm allowed to have it, so I hope you enjoy what I'm about to do. It comes with a plastic lid. Warning, do not use it on the fry pan like I did, because you will melt the lid. It's not meant to use the fry pan. It's only meant to use on the big pot. All right, my bad, boo-boo. So warning number one for you guys, do not use it on the fry pan. But, so you come with a lid. You get a fry pan, okay? Now, I love it. I reckon it's great. All right, so you get the fry pan that the lid does not use on. Then you have the base station, okay? It comes with it, and then you've got the boiling pot, which the lid goes on, by the way. Boiling pot with these heat restrictors on the bottom, so it cooks a lot quicker. And there was a couple of things that I said I didn't like. I don't like this. I think it's a bit flimsy, and if it's anything like the lid, I think it'd get hot and melt, but I'm sure they've tested it. There is a warning on it. To use press arms indicated with arrow into plastic bumpers until dimplets snap into place. Okay, so they must just snap into they go into them. Here we go. I've been trying to work that out, but they actually snap into here on the bottom of the base station. I don't know whether you can see that. They snap into there. All right. So that's the one thing I don't like about it, because I think it's a little bit flimsy. I know it's plastic, and you also get the tube with the regulator on it, and the two things that go on top of the pots. on top of the burners. Now, this is my dislike, okay? I'm sure they've had it engineered for a certain reason. It's a little regulator, but it is awkward. It is awkward when you've got the bottle on it to put it onto the stove, and it's awkward to put the bottle on when you've got this onto the stove. I don't like that. That's about the only thing I don't like, and the lid you can't put on the fry pan. So, I think I've found a hose online, so I'll update that when I can. So that is the two things I don't like, or three things I don't like, which is not a big thing, is this pipe. The lid is not capable to go onto the fry pan, and the little windbreak. But I haven't used the windbreak, so let's just leave that one out for the moment. So the base station, all it does is there's two rubber clamps there. Opens up like so. These bad boys here, when you work it out, they actually, there's one for each side. They just sit there like that, so it flattens your pan out. So other than that, you put your pipe on, which you all know how to do that. Your pipe goes into where it says pipe here. So like I said, like it's, for me, I don't know, it's just it's in the way. So that screws on there like so. And then you got your bottle hanging off there, you know. Also, when you're cooking, I find that sometimes the bottle gets in the road. So anyway, that's about it. Would I recommend it? 100%. Is it worth the money? 100%. Do I like it? 100%. Is it light and compact? 100%. Would I recommend it? I think I said yes, 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 and yes. Mind you, keep in mind, I've only been using it for a week, but what I see so far, I like. I have the Jetboil little portable one, which I've had for 10 years, and it's a Trojan. It just never stops. It boils water in a hurry, and yeah, it lives in the back of the car. I build cups of tea with it when I'm traveling every week, every month. Guys, love it. Love the product. Jetboil, fantastic. But hey, if you do get to see this, maybe a lid and a hose, that would be fantastic, and then you'd have a 100% product. So I rate this at 99.5%. Well done. All right guys, like I said, I've had this unit here 10 years maybe even more. It's Jetboil. It's bounced around the back of the quad bike, the buggy, back of the boat, the back of the car, and mate, like it's had a hard time, and like these things are just fantastic. They boil water in a matter of minutes, and you know what? I really rate this product as well, 100%. These ones here, I'd recommend them for around. But once again, they are expensive. Not sponsored by Jetboil. This is my own biased opinion. This is a fair income review from a bloke that's used this stuff. Thick and thin, rain. The only place I haven't used it is snow and the wind, in the boat, fishing, camping, gold metal detecting, prospecting, looking for gems, traveling, hiking, walking, wherever you want to go. It's compact, going into your backpack, and this is part of the reason why I bought the base station, because I've had a Jetboil product now for over 10 years, used it religiously, never let me down. So I rated the product, so they make a fantastic product. So I can only, from my personal point of view, I can only say yes, worth the money. All right guys, thanks for listening. Look, I had to come back to you because a cup of tea's made and it took just under a minute to boil that. That's fantastic. And that's a full cup. So like, yeah, I don't know, that's not a little cup. So it'd be a Pannikin Plus. So